In this video, I'll show you how to create a booking page on Calendly. First, sign in to your Calendly account and open your dashboard. If you're setting up Calendly for the first time, connect your calendar so your availability stays synchronized and double bookings are avoided. Next, click New Event Type to create the meeting you want people to book. Choose the type of event, enter a name, set the meeting duration, and add a description if needed. Then configure your availability by selecting the days and hours when you're available to accept bookings. After that, customize your booking page by adding the meeting location, whether it's a Zoom link, Google Meet, phone call, or in-person meeting. You can also add booking questions, set scheduling limits, and adjust confirmation and cancellation settings to match your preferences. Now, preview your booking page to make sure all of the information is correct. Test the scheduling process by selecting an available time and confirming that the event is added to your connected calendar automatically. Finally, copy your booking page link and share it with clients, teammates, or anyone who needs to schedule time with you. You can also add the link to your email signature, website, or social media profiles for easy access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a booking page on Calendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.